I'm damn sure that you guys have seen the thumbnail and came here to learn more about Excel. And I'm also sure that most of you are known about the Excel, different parts of Excel, the different things in Excel, like what is ribbon, what is worksheet, what are the formulas. But that is not the topic for today. The today topic is for to learn everything from scratch, from zero, from beginner, from very basic to the advanced and upper level of the Excels. But right, not in one video. Right here, this series, this demo, or this playlist is going to fully focus on learning Excel concepts, which are really very important in daily routines of a person who is working, right? Or somebody who's not working, the person will also get to know more about Excel and sort their lot of problems in daily routine by using some Excel sheets. So the lecture or the purpose of this lecture is not just to teach you the different formulas or different kind of the I mean the big concepts, the complicated version of the Excel. This is really not going to happen in this entire series, which is I can show you about. But what will happen in this series, what will happen in the entire playlist is you will definitely learn more each day about Excel and their fundamentals and what you can do with Excel basic concepts. This is specifically for the person who is currently working, right? So I think you have understood about what is purpose of this series. The purpose I'm again telling you, the purpose is to just learn small concepts, small basic versions of the Excel in short videos. Like the video is going to be about more of 10 minutes maximum, and you will definitely learn a concept, one or two concept in a one video. And this is how it works, and I'll make sure I'll include from beginner level to advanced level of the Excel in this entire series. So if you are trying to learn everything about Excel, you know what to do. Subscribe the channel, follow me, and learn together, right? So meet you in the next video.